Good morning, guys. So, we are going to start with our new video, which is like extended part of the number system only of the previous video. So, in this video, we are going to study a bit about number system, that what a binary system, what is decimal, octal, hexadecimal, and how we can convert decimal system to other systems. So before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel Code with Naman. What you have to do is just go to YouTube, search Code with Naman without any spaces, and you will find my channel. Please like and subscribe. I have also started other series as well. You can see here. You can go to playlist. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I am yet to make more videos on this. Currently I am working on Python course. In future we are going to start with Django course as well. So, in this lecture, we are going to cover number system, what is base, what is binary number, what is decimal number, what is octadecimal number, and what is hexadecimal number. So, starting with number system. Okay, so what is number system? Number system, you can say, like in a formal definition, is the way in which we represent numbers. Okay, so it's like if you want to represent like 10, so how you represent it? You represent by 1 and 0. So this is a decimal number system. Okay, so this is why we call it number system, the way in which we can represent numbers. Okay guys, it is very important to understand number system. Okay, now this is about number system. Now let's see what is base. So when I move to next slide, you will see what is base. You can see I have written here system as binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal, and the base as 2, 8, 10, 16. So what is this? So this is the base, is the number of digits that are used to represent a particular number system. So in this you can understand, like for binary the base is 2, so 2 digits are used to represent the number system, like 0 and 1. Okay, then we have octal system. So base is 8, that's why it is octal. So number of digits which are used to represent the whole octal system are from 0 to 7. Got it guys? Now next is decimal system. We all know about decimal system. We learn decimal system in our daily life. Okay, from like LKG to every class we learn decimal system. So decimal system is created with word deci, that means deck, that means 10. So base is, so you can understand that we can represent like numbers till arabs and kharabs using these 9 digits only, these 10 digits only. Okay, so this represents decimal system. Then we have hexadecimal system. Hexadecimal system uses base as 16, that is it uses numbers from 0 to 9 and alphabets A B C D E F. Okay, so this is about hexadecimal system. So what we covered, we know that what is binary system, it uses base 2, so the digits will be used 0 2. So whenever we, like someone tells you like what is the base in octal? Oct means 8. Okay, oct means 8 in fact. Okay guys, now let's see how we can convert from decimal system to other systems in Python. Now why I am saying that from decimal system, because like in real life mostly you, like in all the cases, like 99% of the cases you will be using decimal system only, but there might be scenarios where you might want to convert these decimal numbers into binary, hexadecimal or octal numbers. So let's see how we do it in Python. Let's for example, let's say, okay, now what is this? Just forget it for a while. This is known as variable declaration. We will cover in next lecture. Just understand this. This is the way in which we store a particular value in a variable. Okay, now if I want to convert this decimal number to binary, what I will do, I will simply write bin and then des. You can see, so this is the binary representation of 233. Okay, now you might be confused that what is this 0b and what is exactly the binary number, because like in classes in which we have studied. Okay, now like in schools what we used to do, for example, we are given 2 4 4. Now we need to calculate its binary number. What we will do, we will simply write like this, then divided by 2, 1 2 2, and the remainder is 0. We will write 0 here. Okay, Now for the next line we write 261 and the remainder is 0 here again. So for calculating binary number, always remember we would divide the number by 2 only. Okay, so output is 6 and 0, remainder is 1. Then for 2 again 15, remainder is 0. Then 2 7s are 14, remainder is 1. Then 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. Then 2 ones are 2 and remainder is 1. So you will see the binary number for this will be, we will read from here to here. It will be 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0. So this should be the binary number which our Python should have calculated. Okay, now instead of 233 I will write a 44, and when I press Ctrl you can see this is the output we calculated and this is the output the computer gave us. So why this 0b? The question comes into mind, why this 0b? So like in Python there is a way in which it is identified that whether it is a binary, octal or hexadecimal. Now for example, if I write here OCT and write here Ds, just let me use print so that you guys can see every output, and I will write here just binary. Okay, then we have octal, then we have the last thing is hex. Okay, and we write here OCT, just put some bracket around it. Okay, now for this thing just 2 brackets and close this one in the bracket and we write hex. Oh, I think I did a mistake. Yes, I did a mistake. Okay, sorry for this mistake guys. I didn't see it properly. Okay, so print, I will just write here octal, then again print, and I will just cut this time now like acting smart, and hope so this should work. Yes, so now you can see we have the 3 representations: binary, octal and hex of decimal 244, decimal number 244. So you can see, so for binary you can see we have a small number as 0b at the start. So this 0b signifies that this is a binary number. Then next is our octal number. You can see this sign, this represents that this is an octal number. Then for hex 0x, so this represents that this is a hexadecimal number. Okay, so this is like how we simply convert our decimal number to other number systems. So guys, this concludes the binary, octal, hexadecimal system, how we can convert from decimal system to other number systems. Okay, so please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this YouTube channel with others so that others can also learn, and also this helps me keep making these videos and this gives me a lot of motivation. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and if you have any doubts just post it in the comments. I will be answering them as soon as possible, mostly within 24 hours. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching this video, and there are more videos to come. Please stay tuned. Thank you.